Today you got late. Actually, I'm waiting for you nearly 30 minutes, but you came late. So today concept is Selenium life cycle. Hmm? Today concept name is Selenium life cycle. Selenium life cycle contains six phases. First one is test planning. Next, Selenium life cycle contains six phases. So there are six phases, very very important phases. Here only we will discuss all the concepts. So actually this concept I need to teach uh, after property file only. Only if you want to learn this Selenium life cycle, compulsory you should know framework concept. So that is the reason we are discussing very late. Okay, so life cycle, actually see Selenium life cycle. Selenium life cycle contains six phases. Test planning, actually this concept we need to discuss in after property file only. So in the Selenium life cycle, we have one concept that is data driven framework or data driven testing. So if you want to know data driven testing or page object model framework, first of all you should know annotations. So that's the reason we are discussing very late. Okay, actually we need to discuss after property file only. So but we are discussing very late. Why we are discussing late? First of all you should know annotation, framework annotation. So that is the reason we are discussing very late. Test planning, generating the basic test, generating the basic test, enhancing the test, executing the test, debugging the test, analyzing the results. These are the six phases in Selenium life cycle. Selenium life cycle contains six phases: test planning, generating the basic test, enhancing the test, executing the test, debugging the test, analyzing the results. So first here observe carefully. Test planning. First test planning. Test plan prepared by test lead. Test plan prepared by test lead. Automation test lead will prepare the test plan document. Automation test lead will prepare the test plan document. Manual plan prepared by manual test lead, and automation plan prepared by automation test lead, or test lead. So in normal general word, so some company they are calling test lead, some company they are calling team lead. Test plan prepared by test lead. So first, he will do test plan. First of all, he will understand all the requirements very clearly. First of all, he will understand all the requirements very clearly. After understanding the requirements, what areas can be automated, what areas cannot be automated. So, second point, what areas can be automated, what areas cannot be automated. So using automation tools also, we can't automate all the areas. Already I told you. So if you have any doubt using Selenium WebDriver, we can't enter any single character into Google search. If you have any doubt, just once try it. So we can't enter any single character into Google search. Try it once. So whenever you are facing the interview also, that time they may ask you like, what areas cannot be automated? Do you say any example? That time you should tell Google search. In the Google search, we can't enter any single character into, we can't enter any single character using Selenium WebDriver. That is the best example. Once try it, number of times try it. So you can't enter any character into Google search. That means if you want any information, compulsory we will go to Google search and we will try it. So where is AkhilReddy Technologies? Where is Mindco Systems? So where is bikes, so cars, so whatever you want. So then we can go for Google search. So using Google search also, we using Selenium WebDriver, we can't enter any single character into Google search. That is the best example. So whenever you are facing the interview also, you should tell that answer only. Okay.
Yeah.
We can't enter any single character. So already before automation, I said using automation tools also, we can't automate all the areas using tools also. Can you say any example? Google search. Okay, right. And first point, first once again, I will repeat you first point. First of all, you will understand all the requirements very clearly. Second point, after understanding the requirements, so what areas can be automated, what areas cannot be automated. So third point, so you will analyze positive and negative flow of the application. You will analyze positive and negative flow of the application. Fourth point, you will do configurational settings. You will do configurational settings. And the fifth point, you will do schedule. You will do schedule. So these are the test plan document. Test plan prepared by test lead. Automation test lead will prepare the test plan document. Over. Next, generating the basic test. Number of times we wrote script like WebDriver wd equal to new Firefox driver wd dot get http gmail.com. So that is the generating the basic test. Next, executing the test. After writing the test, we executed number of times. We executed number of times and analyzing the results. So number of times, so it is executed or not. So pass or fail, we analyzed number of times. These three concepts are already we finished. So generating the basic test means we will write the code. Next, executing the test, we will run the test and analyzing the results. After executing the test, we will get some results. So that is called analyzing the results. Three concepts are finished. Next, enhancing the test. Enhancing the test, we will discuss some concepts. First one is assertions. First concept is assertions. Second point, synchronization. Second point, synchronization. Third point, data driven testing. Data driven testing we will do in three ways. One is arrays. Second one is Excel file. Sorry, mm, Excel file. Third one is web application. Three ways we will discuss. Assertions, synchronization, data driven testing, and fourth one, data driven framework. Fifth one is data driven framework. We will discuss with web application only. Next, POM, page object model framework. Sixth one is Maven. These are the concepts we need to discuss. Okay. One is assertions, second one is synchronization, third one is data driven testing. Data driven testing we can do in three ways. One is arrays, second one is Excel file, third one is web application. Fourth one is data driven framework. Fifth one, page object model framework. POM means page object model framework. And sixth one is Maven framework. These are the concepts we need to discuss. Okay. Assertions, synchronization, data driven testing, data driven framework, POM, and Maven. These are the concepts we need to discuss, and debugging the concept, debugging the test or debugging concept also we will discuss. These are the main concepts we need to discuss in entire Selenium. So these are the pending concepts. So we will discuss now. First, assertions. Assertion is nothing but it is a checkpoint. Checkpoint or validation point. It will check the expected value with the actual value. If it is both are same, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Assertion is nothing but it is a checkpoint. It is a checkpoint. It will check the expected value with actual value. If it is both are same, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Right. Come to concept. First concept. Cell life cycle. Go to SRC. Take the new class assertions. Take the spell mistake. Keep the mark public start void menu. WebDriver. WD equal to new Firefox driver. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. Right. WD dot get HTTP dot cleartrip.com. I'm taking the site cleartrip.com. Cleartrip.com. Right. So import the statement first of all. WebDriver Firefox driver Hmm. So now I'm expecting something. So that's the reason string. Why it is very slow today? No, not is this net problem, but something. String s equal to I'm expecting uh, Khalil. I'm expecting Khalil. I'm expecting Khalil. Okay. Actual value, string expired value, exp value, expired value. I'm expecting Khalil. Actual value I want to get from application. So if it is both are same, it will give say true. Otherwise, it will give false. String ACT value, actual value I'm getting from application equal to wd dot find element. What happened? Wd dot find element by dot Xpath and giving the Xpath next dot get attribute. Hmm. If I write by what happened to this Java? So today is morning to up to now. So all the classes are delaying only for Eclipse by dot XPath. I will give the XPath. Here we are using get attribute method. Attribute get attribute method. So here we can take any type of property like value or name or XPath, whatever you want, you can take it. Oh God. Method automatically it need to come. WT dot find element dot get attribute. So I'm taking value method. Which one? Value property. Sorry, I said method. So value property I'm taking. So I want to compare the expired value I gave Khalil. Actual value I'm getting from application. So I want to compare both strings, both. So then we can write SYSO control space. We can compare the two strings, expired value with the actual value. Both are same or not. So then exp value dot equals act value act value. Expired value equals actual value. So keep. So this is called ternary operator. This is called ternary operator. Passed. God. This question mark is called ternary operator in Selenium. Ternary operator. Ternary operator. Comma. Fail. Pause to comma. Failed. So why it is showing error? There is no chance. Expired value equals actual value. Oh, sorry. Here two brackets required. Expired value equals actual value. So I think here two brackets. One is started, one is opened, close. Why it is showing passed is failed? Okay. Right. So if it is both are same, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Go to Mozilla Firefox. Go to cleartrip.com. And taking first of all round trip Xpath. This is the round trip Xpath. Copy, Control V. That value is round trip. Actually, value is round trip. But I gave Khalil. But I gave Khalil. So what it will say? Say click on that. Actual value is round trip, but I gave Khalil. Expired value is Khalil. Actual value is I am getting from application, that is round trip. It will compare the expired value with actual value. If it is both are same, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Failed. It is giving failed. If I give in the place of Khalil round trip, it will give. It is taking time. Save. Click on run. It will give pass. Passed. Got it?
Yeah.
That is the concept, assertions concept.